How to delete your Facebook account. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Facebook account using your iPhone or Android device in a few simple steps. In this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the Facebook application operates the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you're gonna head over and open Facebook, and then you're gonna click on menu here at the bottom right. And once you do so, you're going to click on this gear icon at the top right. And after that, you'll be redirected to settings and privacy. So you're going to click on see more in account center, and then you're going to click on personal details. And once you do so, you're going to click on account ownership and control. And here you'll be able to see three options: memorialization, deactivation or deletion, reactivation. So you're going to click on deactivation or deletion and click on your Facebook account. So here you're going to click on delete account and deactivate account. So basically the difference between deactivate account and delete account is that when you deactivate account, you can keep your account deactivated for like 2 years. And then when you log back in, you will be logged into your account. However, in delete account, you can only reactivate your account if you log in within 30 days. If you don't log into your account within 30 days, your Facebook account will permanently be deleted from the Facebook database, and there is no way you can get that back. Now, if you wish to permanently delete your account, you can click on delete account, click on continue, and then you're gonna select why you wish to delete your account. So you can just select a reason. For example, I'm gonna click on this one, or I'm gonna click on this one. Click on continue, and then you're gonna click on continue again. And after that, if you wish to deactivate Messenger as well, like you can either delete your Facebook account and keep Messenger. If you don't want to do that, you can simply click on continue, and after that you could type down your password, and once you do so, you're going to click on continue, and you're good to go. Your Facebook account will be scheduled for deletion. Now what that means is that if you log into your account within 30 days, you will get your Facebook account back and that won't be deleted. However, if you don't reactivate your account within 30 days, your Facebook account will permanently be deleted. So that is how you can delete your Facebook account. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.